Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Creamy garlic mushroom, rich, velvety, and packed with bold garlic flavor, this global favorite is the kind of comfort food that instantly feels satisfying and indulgent. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for creamy garlic mushroom. This recipe brings together juicy mushrooms, buttery garlic, and a smooth creamy sauce infused with herbs like oregano, basil, rosemary, and thyme. The texture is silky and rich, balanced with a hint of spice from black pepper and chili flakes, making it perfect for both Indian and international taste preferences. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious creamy garlic mushrooms. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken 200 grams of mushrooms. We have also taken 1 medium-sized onion cut very fine, 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic cut very fine, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or your regular cooking oil. For the sauce, we have taken 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 cup or 250 ml of pre-boiled milk, 100 ml fresh cream, 1 cup or 250 ml of vegetable stock, half teaspoon of mixed herbs. It's a mix of oregano, basil, rosemary and thyme, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of chili flakes, quarter cup of parsley or coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. Cut it very fine. 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or your regular cooking oil. Step 2. Preparing the mushrooms. Wash and clean the mushrooms properly. To learn how to clean mushrooms, refer to step 2 of our butter garlic mushroom recipe. The link is provided on the top right hand corner of your screen now, and it is also given in the description box. Once the cleaning is done, the mushrooms are ready for cutting. Cut the mushroom the way I have shown. Our mushrooms are ready. Step 3. Preparing the creamy garlic mushrooms. On medium heat in an open thick bottom frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or any other regular cooking oil. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir the butter and let it melt. Once the butter has melted, add the finely cut onion. Stir frequently to prevent the ingredients from burning or sticking to the pan. Oil is added to prevent the butter from burning. Once the onion is translucent, add the finely cut garlic. Sauté for around 2 minutes. After around 2 minutes, add the mushrooms. Do not cover the pan, otherwise the mushrooms will start releasing liquid. After around 4 minutes, add half teaspoon of salt. Cook the mushrooms for a minute. Stir everything properly. After a minute, remove the mushroom mixture and keep it aside. Mushroom mixture is ready. Reduce the heat to low and in the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or any other regular cooking oil. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir the butter and let it melt. Once the butter has melted, Add the all-purpose flour or maida. Stir it nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. After a minute, add the pre-boiled milk, little at a time, stirring continuously to prevent any lumps from forming.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Stir everything properly. Also add the vegetable stock little at a time. If vegetable stock is not available, then mix 1 veg stock cube in 1 cup or 250 ml of warm water. Add the mixed herbs. Add the black pepper powder. Stir everything nicely. Cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. After around 2 to 3 minutes, when it gets a good simmer, add some of the finely cut parsley or cilantro leaves. Add the mushroom mixture. Stir everything properly. After around 2 minutes, add the fresh cream. Stir everything nicely. Check for salt and spice and add whatever is required. We added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once the sauce is thick and creamy, it is ready. Now add the red chili flakes. Add the remaining finely cut parsley or cilantro leaves. Stir everything nicely. Enjoy the creamy garlic mushrooms hot with pasta, rice, steaks, baked potatoes and more. Delicious creamy garlic mushrooms are ready. Do let us know how you like this recipe. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.